Welcome to the Hair and Barber Community, where we're all about networking, building skills and confidence. We're excited to introduce our Hair and Barber Community, a free online space where barbers and hair professionals can connect, share techniques and grow together. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned pro, you'll have access to valuable discussions, insider tips and support from industry leaders completely free. But if you're ready to take your skills to the next level, we've got something even bigger for you. Introducing our Barber Skill Set course, a premium online program designed to give you next level barbering techniques, in-depth tutorials and expert guidance, all for just $90 a month. You'll get exclusive access to step-by-step lessons, live Q&A sessions and proven techniques that you can start using straight away to elevate your craft. No matter where you are in your hair journey, we've got the tools to help you succeed.